Okay, let's say that you have a portfolio in Figma, created in Figma. I don't know why would you do that. Maybe you're crazy like me. But how would you make a PDF out of this portfolio so you can send it, or a PowerPoint? A presentation is easy. You just click on this button, you can send a link to your customer or something. But to create a PDF, you can simply use a plugin, select all the relevant fields, and right click plugins. There is a plugin called Pitch Deck Presentation Studio. Okay, and I still have 3 trial left. You order them in the order you want. Okay, so maybe it didn't catch the right order from the beginning. Okay, anyway, you sort them as you like, then you click on export presentation. You can compress the image or not, and you can select which form you like. You can do Keynote, PowerPoint, Google Slide, and even PDF. So you just have to click on one and export. Simple as that. If you want to know where to find the Play community, and you write down Presentation Studio. Here you go. Okay, great. So just install it. And that's it.